Clayton. How are you?
Hi, Jamie. I'm great. If you don't mind, I'm going to put my wig on and I'm going to show you how I do my perfect face framing S-wave.
Look at this hair. It's gorgeous. Look how pretty you are.
Go on and go off.
I love that hair. I wish that was my hair.
Like I said, I'll ship it to you. It can be yours in 3, 2, 1. So a lot of times people get like a flat iron, and you've seen sort of the flat iron waves, which I love. The one thing, unless you're incredible at a flat iron wave, is it can look a little square. It's not as sort of that soft S. It's almost a Z. You feel me?
I do.
I'm just going to show you what I like to do. So I'm going to grab a little section in the front. This is literally just like, I grab the most cheap, I mean, it's not like a cheapo, but this is like an old T3 iron. It's probably like 10 years old, just to show that you can use any iron. It doesn't have to be fancy. You want the clamp on the bottom, because the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up. So if you're going to do it by your face, you want to sort of hit sort of where your eye is. Smooth it out. So I'm going to rock up. So I'm literally doing the clamp like this. So it's never, this is how you're going to avoid that line, is you keep opening and closing, opening and closing. So there's never that like intense pressure.
Oh my God, okay.
And now I'm just holding it here like that. And then I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to go the opposite way. So I scooped up and now I'm scooping down.
Oh.
And again, see my hand, I'm going like that.
Yep, you're never letting it stay on. It's almost like you're blending it in a way. Blending.
Exactly. And now we're going to go and do the opposite. We're going to go up again.
And that's it.
So look at this like S that we're getting.
Oh my God.
And then we're going to end with a little flick. Do you see that sort of like perfect? You can rake your fingers through it. Do you see this framing?
That is so important. I feel like that tip alone is mind blowing. It's just like, you have to let that little curl start right here rather than too high or too low.
I got to tell you, that's so true. It's like with your eyeliner, it's sort of creating that same shape where it's lifting your eye up.
I love that.
Sorry, got distracted for a second. Okay, so scooping up, scooping up.
Blend it, tap, 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 tap.
Tap, 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 scooping down, tap, tap, tap.
Love it. Oh my God, it's so good.
And honestly, you don't even have to do the whole head like that. It's really, if you have time, if you don't have children or if you're a bad parent, then yeah, you can like have time to do the whole head like that. But otherwise, you can do your normal sort of just like one of these things and then just do the front. If you want to know the story about this wig, you can watch the whole journey of where this wig started and how she became on my Instagram.
I love it. I love all those tips, and you make it look so easy, and now we need to practice. Thank you so much, Clayton Hawkins. I love you so much. Check everything out below so you can follow him and follow the journey of that wig. You're the best. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for your glam bam. Thank you, ma'am.
Stay safe.
Bye.